Hi, my name is Philip Lee. I'm the Managing Director of Evolve Growing Solutions and the Evolve Group. We created Evolve on the back of designing and building the Sahara Forest Project for the UN climate change talks in Qatar in 2012, and have gone on to develop projects with many different countries from Qatar, UAE, Maldives, UK, and utility companies, where basically what we do is we look to find sustainable solutions to commercial horticulture, it being our speciality. We own a number of patents in key technologies to do with ETFE in glazing in greenhouses, micronutrients and biostimulants into commercial horticulture. And basically we came across Sapropel in Ukraine when doing some research into organic solutions for commercial horticulture. Right now commercial organic production is very, very limited in both production levels and quality at times because we cannot add traditional fertilizers. We took samples of the Sapropel supplied by the company, and we had trials done privately by the best hydroponic company in the UK, Hydrogarden, and could see a lot of promise, a need to research further, a need to develop new versions, different substrates, mixtures, etc. At the time that material was mixed with peat. We don't consider peat to be a sustainable long-term solution. So lots of work to be done, but we can see a massive market for this, particularly in the Gulf, where the soil quality obviously is very low and the desire for organics is extremely high, but also in commercial horticulture, where both not only the material as a substrate, but also the liquid extracted version of this material as an ability to organically dose and increase almost up to commercial levels, we think, organic production, and that is a huge opportunity. We're very, very well aware of the issues of sustainability. It is what the company is called, Evolve. We work with Waitrose, Morrison's, Asda, utility companies looking at circular economy use of human waste treatment plants, so that we take the various different aspects of that to create sustainable large-scale agriculture. But the key thing with the Sapropel is that, unlike peat, which we consider to be, and is considered in Europe to be, a negative for long-term sustainability, the issue with the lakes, having seen them, is that they are completely eutrophied. They are essentially dead lakes. So the extraction of this material from the lakes is essentially a form of remediation. Part of our role with our partners is developing and managing research, government-funded research into projects. So we've worked extensively with Innovate UK, with the BBSRC, and others, to take something from an idea all the way through to being tested at a university. So we work with University of Nottingham, Nottingham Trent University, Sheffield University, Reading University, all the way through into something that's actually commercially viable. So it's very important to us that the research, whilst it has an academic element, there's a lot of new stuff, I think, to be found in Sapropel and how it works with plants, but is also to make sure that the outcomes of it are highly commercial outcomes that can help educate and develop the market to be confident enough to adopt it. So the parties involved with this project, ICBA in Dubai, we've worked very extensively with, very impressed and pleased with their output and their professionalism. And Dr. Margit Oll in Estonia is a world-class expert in some of the aspects that we work on with the light, etc., but also has done a significant amount of work into organic substrates, vermiculture, and optimizing those substrates. So we've brought this team that we think is a very credible team together to be able to work with the Sapropel developers, and we think that this can work extremely well together with the high-tech laboratory systems and equipment available in the UK, with the very practical and pragmatic experience of Estonia, and with the very applied knowledge and understanding of saline and arid conditions in the Gulf with ICBA. We think we have a very strong team here, and we have a very, very strong commercialising team if we can make this work and make it fit. So we hope and wish this project the greatest of success, and believe that it is a major development. And obviously with geopolitics, anything that we can pull together with the likes of Ukraine, I think cannot but be a positive thing. We wish this submission the best of luck. Thank you.